What are you doing? Chewing on the Grinch?
Oh, that's okay.
Go.
I got a couple legs though. I don't care. Let her chew quick.
Think that's yours, do you?
Uh-oh, there's a fight now. Okay. Katie.
Roscoe, you letting your sister win?
Too much because I don't want to get sick because of puppies.
Yeah.
Chewing on something,
Ooh. Boom.
Getting any of that stuff in their mouth.
Yeah.
I'd rather they had something that was hard right now, so they
Yeah.
can get all that cotton stuff in.
We got them those little kongs.
Okay, yeah, because
Yeah.
I don't want her getting sick or.
You are crazy.
They are funny because one had the legs and the other one had the head.
Daisy's trying to jerk the head off, and Roscoe's got the butt.
I hope you buy big toys for these little dogs.
No doubt.
What? Good. What? Daisy, take your... No, don't you chew on my toes. No, don't you chew on my toes, you little fart. You little fart butt. Been a while since we had a male around here.
Yeah. I think they were tired of being outnumbered, so he wanted one girl and one boy.
There you go.
Are you pulling your brother too? Holy crap. Oh my gosh.
Come back for.
Oh.
They're funny.
Mm-hmm.
She says, that's mine, get out of here. Stand over the whole thing now. I know, I got another Grinch downstairs. I bought them one year, they was like $1 and something. I got a plastic one. Makes noise, I'll bring it up.
Oh.
And they're here at Christmas and turn it on.
Wonder how much they'll grow in the next 3 weeks,
Oh.
4 weeks, whatever.
Pretty good little size.
Yeah. Hey,
Cool.
don't bite your sister like that.